So, all right, this first word we have aninipot, aninipot, which means firefly. Aninipot, alindanao. So, alindanao is a dragonfly. Alindanao. Henyo is utokan. Uh, Pagbasayo sa lamesa is to set up or prepare the table, like as in you're going to set the table for whatever, maybe a dinner party or something like that. You're going to eat, set the table. Pagbasayo sa lamesa, right? Paghaling means to start a fire, right? You're going to start something, right? Sunog means burn, but it's a similar word that can be used, right? So paghaling is to start a fire, to set a fire. Maybe you're gonna be cooking something, so you're gonna get firewood, or maybe you're gonna go camping, so you're gonna set a fire pit, right? Paghaling, yeah, you're gonna start a fire or set fire, maybe because you need something. It's gonna be dark and you need fire. You're gonna go into a cave and explore. You need fire, right? Start fire. Pungot is kasamok, right? Pamubo is to pour or flush out fluids, right? Pamubo, and the root word here is bukbo, right? Bukbo is the root word meaning to pour fluids. Tarog means to be loose, from being implanted, right? So you got something that's planted down, right? So maybe it's a pole, a stick, or maybe some sort of I don't know, like a pole or some sort of fence or some wire, whatever, right? Something that's just implanted. Maybe it was a tooth, like your tooth, right? It's implanted in your gums. And then tarog just means it's loose, like it's becoming loose, like it's moving a little bit, it's budging a little bit, right? So that loose tooth or a loose pole or a fence that is loose, right? Anso is bahog ihi, right? So it's that stale urine smell that you smell in maybe somebody or a homeless person was pissing somewhere and it had that stale urine smell and it just lingers out everywhere. Or maybe because the stupid Filipinos who pee out in the public and they just pee anywhere as they please because they're really stupid and hard-headed, and that urine just smells like shit or something. It smells really bad. Anso is the word we use to describe that scent. Tuyo is an action that wasn't purposely is something is purposely done, like to purposely do something. Tuyo, right? It's not accidental. It's an action that you did, but it wasn't accidental. You had intentions, right? You did it with intentions, so it was something that was purposely done, right? Secretario, secretaria, you know what that means, a secretary. Profesor, profesora is maestro or maestra or magtutudlo. Sukod, right? Sukod, this is an important one. It means to measure or take measurements of something, right? To try on clothes or to fit something, to see if it's going to fit, to see if your clothes are going to be snug, right? To try it on, to see. You can even say, use this verb to see if maybe the bed sheets are gonna fit. If something just fits on something, or if it doesn't, you're trying it out, right? You're trying on clothes. You're trying to see if something fits, if something measures right, if something measures well. Sukod, a measurement, to take measurements, right? To measure. And then finally we have pangasa, right? Pangasa, which is also the same as pangregalo,